bitch, come take it to the floor now. Woo. One step to the right, we headed to the
So I am about to get my crowns. I'm so scared. I'm numb. Look at my lip. Oh my God. I'm so scared. I'm terrified. Praise the Lord. Oh.
You're just fine.
Alright, so I survived. I'm not gonna show y'all what it looked like, but I'm still numb. I'm just sitting here waiting on my crowns. Yeah, just checking in.
Oh yeah. Dang, you got a new phone?
Mm-hmm.
That thing nice. I can tell. Jesus. It look like you looking right at that.
Don't it?
What kind is that? Is that
The 17 Air.
Jesus?
we always go with nice. Ooh, run me to the left and pin me in the middle.
Alright, chat, so I'm home. My mouth is still numb as ever, but it's coming back slowly. But I had to go by and get my child some food because we were out of food as of this morning. So yeah, got the food. He's sitting there watching me like a hawk because he is. Hold on. My mouth is hurting. Not like hurting, but like it's that numbing where, you know, so if you ever been numb by the dentist, you know, when you're numb and then as it's coming back to life, it gives off this like achy pain a little bit. I should have ate before I went, but I didn't because I barely woke up in time. I was almost late. Well, I was late, but I worked there, so whatever. And it wasn't busy. So we got in, got out. My appointment was at 8. I got there about 8, 8:15, 8:16, something like that. So not too bad. She got started around like close to 9. The prep work and stuff was done. This light is killing me, bro. Like, what's what the fuck? It's making me mad. It's really pissing me off. I really hope my tripod is in my car because I'm gonna be so mad if I left my tripod at that studio. I'm gonna be so mad. This light is really blowing me. Yeah, so I left the tripod because I don't have it. Unless it's like in one of these bags or in my house somewhere. I don't see it. And I'm kind of annoyed by that because how did we leave the whole tripod? It's okay. I just ordered no. It's like $30. But still, like, I'm not giving free shit to people. What the fuck? Alright, let me show y'all what I got so I can get my day going. With the rest of my off day that I didn't spend at work with the peoples. Hold on, Ashton. Yeah, Bookie, I know. Just the glare of this light is blowing me. That's better. Anyway, fixed it. So he likes the Royal Canin, whatever it is, kitten and stuff. He loves like this right here. This right here he loves, so I got him 3 cans of these. And as far as the food, I got this right here. I couldn't find what he had originally that I originally got, but this will do. I'm gonna wash his bowls out because I need to clean them. And then we will be good to go.
With him, she's mad at that. He's not having that. So those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than a Benz wagon, the friends tagging along, the flashy nigga bragging on the song. She gets a glimpse of Sean and she likes that. He two-ways her, so she writes back. Smiley faces after all of her phrases. Either she the one or I'm caught in the matrix. Well, fuck it, let the fish burn. Red or green pill, you live and you learn. Come on. Fine linens for this. So contagious, I can't take it.
can't have my baby, let's just make it so.
Alright, so we're back from the gym. Got a package. I want to say it's from my Amazon registry, so one of you guys got something. If I can find something to open this with, let me see. Hold on. So I finally got me something to eat. Update on my mouth, it feels better. I popped 2 Tylenols, extra strength, when I first got to the gym. Then when I left the gym, I popped another 2 because I want to make sure this is smooth sailing from here. Ooh, and it's gift wrapped. Hold on. What we got? Okay. Y'all showing out for the holidays. So I'm gonna put this here. It says, here we go. Keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. So you want me to unwrap the present before opening this? Okay. Let's see. Oh, I gotta take a picture. For the group chat on Instagram. Oh, this is so nice. I love stuff like this, y'all. I gotta make it cute. Let me take a picture. Ah, look at that. Oh my God. Okay. That is so cute. Okay, take a picture. Let's see. This bag is cute, by the way. Hey, thank you. Y'all, listen, that's crazy. I was talking so much noise about, y'all talking noise about me not having wine glasses. And this is the wine glasses. Oh my God, this is so cute. Thank you. So let me open up this first before I open up the envelope. That's funny. That's real funny. The crazy part is I was at TJ Maxx the other day and I was about to buy some wine glasses literally like a day or 2 ago. I don't want to drop them, so let me pull them out like this. I just love you guys. What we got? And we got 4 beautiful wine glasses. Now I got champagne flutes and I have wine glasses. I'm gonna run these through the dishwasher, but now I can be like this. So when we have pillow talk, these will be the glasses that I use for pillow talk. I'm thinking about filming one tonight actually. Or if not tonight, tomorrow night, because I need to write out what I'm gonna talk about. It's gonna be a story time. So a little spicy tea about me. Well, I won't say spicy tea, but it's entertaining, okay? But now that we opened that, let's read. Uh-oh. I want to break that down. Okay, let's put that down before I break it. So keep your gift surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. Let's see. It says, a gift for you. Cheers from Rashad. Thank you, Rashad. You always do your big one. I really appreciate it. Now, when I do my pillow talk, you'll get another shout out. I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all are so dope. From all your comments, your nice words of encouragement. From the nice words of encouragement to the... damn, get it out, Dennis. From the nice words of encouragement about the photo shoot. You know, y'all, I was nervous. I wanted everything to go smoothly. I wanted the photo shoot to tell a story, or at least bring what I had in my head to life, you know, and it did that. Thank you guys for all y'all kind wishes once again. Thank you, Rashad, for the amazing, amazing gift once again. And that's the end of this video. I'm about to try to pump out another one for you guys right after this. So I'm finna upload this. Well, I'm finna export it, upload it, and keep it going because I have like 3 videos to catch up on. You know, but yeah, today went well. My 2 crowns look amazing. Shout out to Doc. I have 3 more things to do in my mouth to remove the silver out of there. You know, being a 90s baby, they used to do silver back in the day. And when I was in the military, they did silver. So I just don't like the look of it. So I need to get it out. So that'll be done by March altogether. I'm probably gonna do another one in November and just knock that out of the park. I may be done for the year's over, to be honest with you. So there's that. I know you guys was saying me feed Ashton. He's fed. He got fed, y'all. He likes to eat so much. His belly gets so plump and big, and when he's walking, I can see his belly from the side. I'm like, you're overeating. And I want a nice, healthy, active kitten. I don't want no fat, overweight cat. You know what I'm saying? But he's good. He's somewhere probably doing something he has no business doing. He's very sneaky, by the way. Very quiet, very sneaky. He's always getting into something. I know he's just a curious kitten, but I love him so, so much. And, who is this? My phone just be going off. But, yeah. Hopefully this isn't too dark. I don't know why. Normally I'm this way. That's better. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I wish I had my tripod, so I have to order another one as soon as I get off here. But I love you guys. Thank you for rocking with me. We're almost through Vlogtober. We did it. This is not just a me thing. This is a us thing. So once we complete this, you know, I'm going to go live and we're going to have a party to celebrate on Halloween probably. I'm going to put on a costume. I'm going to put Ashton in the costume. And, you know, we're going to have a good time. We're going to celebrate and, you know, talk our shit. So I appreciate you guys once again. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and add me on Instagram because I am dropping my birthday pictures in the next 2 weeks on my birthday. There's 2 different pictures, 2 different vibes. And then shout out to Tracy also for being there, helping me, you know, put on my corset because I had no idea how to put that thing on. Helping me get dressed and helping me with poses. You know, just being a great friend. So shout out to him. He was definitely there. Y'all definitely see him in the BTS footage. And I think he also, I don't know, he helped me film the behind the scenes footage for the vlog as well. So I don't know. I haven't went through that footage yet. But shout out to him once again. And I'll see you guys in the next Vlogtober video.